Westchester County in central New Jersey, Somerset County in northern New Jersey, north central Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, until 10:15 p.m. At 9:20 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Chester to near White House Station, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Morristown, Somerville, Newton, Bridgewater, Dover, Madison, Hopatcong, Middlesex, Florham Park, East Hanover, Lincoln Park, Bound Brook, Manville, Kivalon, Hackettstown, Chatham, Byram, Boonton, Butler, and Wharton. This includes the following highways: Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 2 and 42. Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 11 and 47. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 9 and 54. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This severe thunderstorm may contain little or no lightning. Do not wait until you hear thunder before taking cover. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon,